Hello everyone, myself Dr. Anika. Today we are going to talk about some products which will give you a whole package solution. So first of all, I'm going to talk about SESOS. So this is the one and it contains 4 products. So now I'm going to tell you about the 4 products. The first step, this is called Miracle Acne Foam, and this acne foam deep your cleaning and also give a acne free solution. And the step 2 is the Miracle Toner, which wipe the dark spots, and the step 3 is the Miracle Serum, the serum which give your skin a softness and a brightness, smoothness, and also a Miracle Cream which work as a skin barrier. So this is the one which contain all the 4 products in a one box, as you can see, and you have to maintain or you have to use this product by using these steps. There are 4 steps, and by maintaining these steps you can get a very good result. So SESOS is a dermatology tested product, and also all the doctors used to give the suggestion to use this type of product. So this is doctor tested, so there is no side effect. So SESOS is the one. And we have some other product like AHA, BHA, PHA, like you all know this brand. So this is more special because you can use it on pimple or you can use it on acne solution, all type of sensitive skin. AHA, BHA, PHA work very goodly. So this is a 30-day miracle challenge, as it says, because it will take only 30 days to give a proper solution. So this is the one. And also we have some other product like Eugenicin. You all know the Eugenicin is a very well known and the most famous brand, and this is the all wanted brand because it's not only give you a proper solution within 30 days, it also give a brightness to your skin and also sensitizes to your skin, moisturizes skin and vitalizes your skin. And this that whole total solution, because it has contained a 30 ml of the toner at first, and which tone your skin and give you a glow. And this is also contain a Eugia serum. So this is a special one because it's not only softened your skin, it's also contain the ingredients which light your dark spots. And we have also a cream which give you a cool effects, and this is called Cool Calming with a whitening care also, and you can use it in the night. So and we have a brightening care cream also and a sleeping mask. So a mask is a very important thing for a skin. So we have this contain a sleeping mask which you can use it at the night as a sleeping mask, and after keeping it for 15 to 20 minutes you can remove it. Okay, so last but not the least, we have the Snails one. You know the Snails is a very well-known brand, well-known product. So Snails can be used in any kind of skin. So there is a speciality which maintain the pH. So it balances the pH, moisturizes skin and act as a skin barrier and calming the skin. So these are the 4 all-round product, as you can say, and these all are very good. So you can take it and use it as you want. Thank you so much for being with us.